When your internet isn't working, it can seem like a very complicated problem, but this video will show you some simple things to check that'll help get you and your Vizio TV reconnected. If you're having trouble connecting your Vizio TV to the internet, the first thing to do is to check what type of network you're trying to connect to. If you're trying to connect to a guest network or a shared network such as a college dorm, hotel, or any other network that requires a username or password be entered through a browser, you may need to contact the network administrator to have the device connected. These networks usually require a login, and since the TV does not have a browser, the network admin may need information from your TV. The information the network admin needs can be found on the TV's menu by going to Admin and Privacy, then System Information. Or if you have an older model, you may need to go to System, then click on System Information. Next, check to see if your internet connection is currently working. Go to another device connected to your internet, such as a computer or tablet, and pull up a web page. If that device is also having issues, your internet may be experiencing an outage. We recommend contacting your internet service provider. If the internet is working on your other devices, then the third step in getting you reconnected is to verify you are using the correct password or wireless key. Wireless passwords are case sensitive, so capital letters must be capitalized and lowercase letters must be in lowercase. Make sure that you are entering any special characters. Double check your network password and make sure it is not a password to log into your computer or an email account. If you're at all unsure about your password, it may be written on the bottom or back of your router as the network key or passphrase. We all do better with a little rest, your router included. That's why the fourth thing to try is to power cycle your router. Unplug the router's power cord from the outlet or the back of the router, whichever is easiest for you to access. Remove any battery backup the router may have. Once the power of your router is removed, slowly count to 10. Then reconnect the power cord and battery backup. If you are still not connected to the internet, you'll need to reset your TV to factory defaults. Please note that this will erase any customizations you've made, such as calibration settings. Be sure to take a picture of them or write them down so that you can easily change them back after the factory reset. Press the menu button on the Vizio remote. Select Admin and Privacy. If you don't have that option, it may also be listed under System. Which option you see depends on how new your TV model is. Next, select Reset TV to Factory Defaults or Clear Memory, which will reset the TV to factory default. Highlight and select Reset. After your TV resets, complete the first time setup of your TV as if it were the first time you were setting it up. If you're still having trouble connecting your Vizio TV to the internet, visit support.vizio.com. There you'll find helpful articles, tools, more videos, and tech support agents. Vizio takes you there.